ಬಿಜೆಪಿಗೆ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರನ್ನು ವಿರೋಧಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಬಿಜೆಪಿಗೆ.
So we uphold the statement of B.K. Hari Prasad ji. Nothing wrong that we has made the statement. Every state you take in history, all the BJP people are not coming with the mandate of the people. After we form the government, they are just making an horse trade, buying the MLAs. Again, they have dismantled the institution of democracy. After that, they are doing the re-election. They have rejected the mandate of the people. Again, they will be bought the MLAs from the different party, particularly the Congress party. Wherever the Congress party has got in majority, nowadays everybody have been experiencing hung assemblies with a small margin only. Any state or assembly or union government is forming. In this juncture, always they are the people who dismantle the institution of democracy. Every election we have seen they are making an experiment on democracy. This means what? It's a debauchery thing they are doing it. These people have gone with the mandate of the Congress, gone to the BJP, and they say called today they are experiencing all ministerial post and make a statement, nonsense statement. And CM post is been every time it is been auctioned. We are the highest bidder. They are getting the CM post in BJP. The high command, those so-called many Amit Shah, everybody comes down to the Bangalore. What they are doing? Is there any roads are good in the Bangalore?
You said you stand by the statement of
Yes,
Mr. Hari
yes,
Prasad,
yes.
but he himself has apologized yesterday for that statement.
Yeah, see, debauchery means any institution, any field where they make a traitors. They've been called what where there's a name to be called. Okay, even I also make a statement. They have dismantled the Institute of Democracy. In the name of the democracy, they are every day they are swearing in as a chief minister, as a minister, as a prime minister. What they are doing it in any Indian government? You have seen any ordinance is been taken place or any bill? Yes, because of the statement of Muniratnam, because the statement of the DCM Ashwath Narayana and law.
Mr. Hari Prasad
Yes.
himself has apologized.
Yes.
So why are you supporting his statement
See,
then?
because we are fed up with this system. We are, embracer of this democracy. We want to carry this democracy for thousands of years to the younger generation. And this BJP and RSS mindset, they are halting this. They wanted to take over an anarchism in this nation. Not only in this, wherever the BJP is being administered, highest corruption you can see, highest women atrocities on women you can see. Every day the news will be updated from the media.
So you are condemning it and protesting?
Yes, we are condemning and we want to see that they are highly corrupted. They are not fit to be no more to be an administered in our Karnataka state.
ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬಿಡು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಕೆಳ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಕೆಳ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಕೆಳ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸಾಕು. ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಪಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ